Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your Fusion Payroll's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Fusion Payroll's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in www.fusionemployerservices.com and make a search. You're going to see the official page of Fusion Payroll's account displayed on the screen. Click on three lines at the top right corner of the screen. From the displayed options, tap on Client or Employee Login. On the next page, enter your username and password associated with your Fusion Payroll's account and tap on Login. Click on Show option to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your username or password, click on Forgot Username or Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your Fusion Payroll's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.